Okay, I'm seriously excited for today's unboxing. Look at this, Prepin, straight from AppSumo. If you're job hunting, you'll want to see this. Let's open it up and see what's inside. The interface is super clean. Love the modern vibe. First impression. It feels professional and easy to use. Prepin is all about AI-powered mock interviews. Basically, it simulates real interview questions for you. Perfect for students, job seekers, or career changers. All right, let's try a mock interview right now. I'm picking a marketing manager role. Let's go. The AI asks me a realistic question immediately. I answer, and it gives instant feedback. Super helpful. It highlights my strengths and points out weak spots. I love how natural the questions feel, not robotic. You can customize difficulty and interview style too. I tried a few rounds and each felt unique. It even tracks my progress over time. Nice touch. Honestly, it's way less stressful than real interviews. The feedback is detailed but encouraging, not harsh. Let's talk about the real advantages here. First, it's AI-driven, so it adapts to your answers. You get smarter prep, not just random questions. Second, it really boosts your confidence. After a few tries, I already feel more prepared. Third, it saves so much time compared to group prep. You can practice anytime, anywhere, no scheduling needed. And yes, it's way more affordable than coaching. For students or career changers, this is a game changer. I wish I had this before my first big interview. The best part? You can get Prepin on AppSumo. AppSumo always has the best deals for tools like this. You pay once and get lifetime access. Huge value. If you're prepping for interviews, don't skip this. I genuinely recommend Prepin after trying it myself. It's simple, effective, and actually fun to use. But if you hate feedback, maybe it's not for you. For everyone else, it's a must-have prep tool. Ready to crush your next interview? Check out Prepin on AppSumo today. Links in the description. Grab the deal while it lasts. Thanks for watching. Let me know your thoughts below.